All right, well, we're back for day 2 of trying to tackle this mess behind me. I think what I'd like to do is I'd like to try to get that thing up there. So let's see how we're going to try to do that. All right, so here's the idea. I have that pulled out, and up here I have a bike pulley system. The thing's not super heavy. Figure we'll give it a shot, see if it's safe to pull it up a little bit off of the ground with it. And if it works, then great. If not, we'll revisit it another time. Now, this is the attic above the garage, and I did somewhat organize it. I've got some sheet good back there. Got an electrical type section over here. Got some bikes back here. Some folding chairs, nice and easy to get to. We've got our outdoor patio furniture. Just tried to get like with like. And this is the pulley system that I have for bringing the bikes up. I don't know if it's going to be strong enough, but we're going to give it a go. All right, well, let's see if we can get this attached somehow. Let's just see if it pulls up. No dice on that. Unfortunately, I don't think there's a good safe way for me to get that up there right now. So it's gonna go back in that spot over there. So I'm thinking, what if I take a look in the shed? I don't know. I probably don't have enough room for that. Let me go take a quick peek. Now, I built this shed a couple years ago. Used an old picture frame for the window. That needs to be addressed. I definitely have the height, but I would need a shelf in there for it, or for the lawnmower. Probably for the lawnmower, because the lawnmower's a lot lighter. But I also don't want to be hauling that thing in and out all the time when I need to mow the lawn. The shed organization that I've done is kind of working out, though. I put a thing for some rakes and push brooms on the door. My shovels go in the corner. I don't have to worry about exactly where they go. I just know that they're in that corner, and I've got a board over there for that. I've got my spreader up there, a couple of other things. This shelf thing, not really working out, but it's okay. But anyway, let's see what we can do. Well, after thinking about it, I think for now that is going to go back over there. But what I'd like to do is at least, at minimum, get those things up off the ground, get rid of some of this junk here. And I don't have too much time today to devote to it, but we're going to make some progress today, and progress is progress. Move this back over here. Back up we go. And for now, I think these are gonna go right in that general area. So something that I was thinking about was making some sort of drawer system to go in between these. Let me know what you think about that. I don't know if that's going to be really a feasible idea or not, especially on a budget, but we'll see. So after pulling these stairs down for the third time in the last 5 minutes, I really realize this area really just needs a set of stairs. All right, so it looks like that span is way too long for dimensional lumber, even though that's already there. I don't want to make this unsafe, so what I think I'm going to do is not span the whole thing. I'm going to put a post about here, and I can make the stuff about 30 inches wide or so. So I'm thinking if I put a post over here, I could go, instead of spanning the whole thing, I can do it at my stairway about 30 inches wide. That'll still give me plenty of room. I usually have about another 1.5 feet worth of junk out here. Then again, what if instead of doing stairs in a normal way, what if I just do boxes and make my boxes the stairs, and I can make those boxes 30 inches deep? That, or even just 2 feet deep, that might work out even better. It's going to be a lot of boxes. What do you think? If I use the box idea, do you think that's going to work out? At least my thought is, then I don't lose storage here. Well, I didn't make a whole lot of progress today, but at least some of the lumber is off of the ground. It's vacuumed up a tiny bit. And at least I've got a thought of an idea for how to handle this section of things. Well, anyway, if you like this kind of content, please give a like, subscribe, or comment. And I'm really looking forward to seeing some of those suggestions for how to handle this and up there in the comments. Great. Have a great day.